Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. I wanted to make this quick video to thank everybody for subscribing to this channel because we just passed 1,000 subscribers. That is freaking awesome. That is so cool. Thank you guys. Everybody who subscribes to this channel is awesome. The fact that you like the content and you're excited about it and you want to get in on the fun with the giveaways like this GoPro and that you like cars. It's just awesome to see everybody that wants to be a part of this and that has subscribed to the channel and that has caused us to gain basically 500 subscribers almost in the last 30 days. So it's really awesome. I mean, I'm so excited for everything that's coming, but I just wanted to make a quick video to thank everybody. So first order of business, when are we giving away the GoPro Hero 4 Session camera? So I think I want to give this away next weekend, so probably Saturday the 24th, Sunday the 25th. I did say that I was going to give it away around the end of February, so I want to stick with that. And for anybody who hasn't subscribed yet and is watching this video, there's still time. So just so everybody's aware, we're gonna be using a random name generating software that's gonna generate a winner out of the list. So it's not gonna be me picking it, it's not gonna be somebody else picking it. There's no way that you can win other than having your name on that list and everybody gets one entry. But again, I'm very excited about it, very excited for somebody to win this GoPro and enjoy this and maybe start their own YouTube channel, who knows. So we have a lot more content coming to the channel. I have a review of this 2018 Ford Escape coming. I already filmed a review of the 2018 Cadillac XTS. That's gonna be up in the next day or two. And there's gonna be a lot more videos, a lot more reviews. Sir, can I review your car? Excuse me, sir? Hey, can I review your car? I've really been wanting to review that car! Excuse me, sir! Sir! Come back! Can I review your car? You really wanting to review a 2006 Ford Escape? Sir! Sir! We're gonna have some more videos of my X5, of my Fusion, which really hasn't had any videos yet. So again, I'm very excited about it. Thanks again for watching, for subscribing, for wanting to be a part of the test drive, and I'll talk to you soon.